much GH nie Ghana for ahwefo etiefo onipa bi a won subscribe e too much GH no subscribe wo na ehintasem ensem a ebuafa oman Ghana so e na ye de bremu one God nie the only one God in GH eho na da bia mehwe abrochefo ene Ghana for mo a mo wiasa fa na ina me recommend emamo too much GH kra.
For any ashe for me ma obibia akwaba de batuma GH any day in sumunia ba mo son for Mexico and am di dwumede baba somo eye popular eye journalist former popular journalist and now what TV3 e de nsem bi aba betuja na ye nan nim se eye abariwe na wo ye show you and the police and at times so kase e bono dudu na wo ye bi na emri bi entwem ko ebekoba se na ye ntem hu no TV3 no ejani pa bebre adwenkyere ache se da ne da wo mu ko ni page so a na wo mu mo reasons na che se wo mu didi na tem na ebi mu so kan sem se ye TV3 station no ya pamo abayua ye free wo na emi se abayua ye din afamwa se de akosi amen no apem ama waba out ababe kasa na nsem waka ye ne se wono TV3 wono bi enu wa wopam no na emre po a ono resign ye na adwen se wonye adwuma wo mpo biem no na TV3 for enan gu form ensa gu form opa ne chow se won bra back na esu no we making the mind up da na wo kasa no nchiremu kire se opa che se emre o resign ye po na emre ye ne ma me bed na tiefo say na wo tro on the page ni so for the 1 million time I was not sacked by TV3. I was never suspended by TV3. In fact, in my years at TV3, I never got suspended. If you care about my work status, you can walk to TV3 and verify. I'll say, ono yampa moneta. Na since all this TV3 for years, Jumano. Just say, onya query letter. Ne umpomba asem na basi ebe pamono. Na wono ade free onemo onsi obi akwan ye se wo pese wo hu no kware abomodin akọ TV3 na ekohwehwemu na wan na beko wan na betu ana mo se akọ TV3 akọ hwehwemu wo ye kokonseni a wo kono na wa ye ready so say weni be wu hu na ensi wa wasa kansem ni bitu aso na nsem ne say I resigned on my mother's birthday on my mother's birthday to focus on other interests. TV3 was kind enough to ask me to stay, but I told them I wasn't interested anymore, and we said our goodbye. I'm proud of the work I do now, consulting for companies in Ghana, North Africa and East Africa. Na emisa abaywe kasa ya Bridget Otu kasa ya still na semono shedanya ne desa na ese onye fulfill the say wetumi a convince eye one a wotata no ka atro se mana wotata no ne force ye ka ne say perception no enti okoso biem gusu kasa no ka say TV is nice, but it is not what we want to do for the rest of our lives. I also run a very successful hardware company. Some of you want to believe we are doing badly because we don't come on TV. But trust me, if that helps you sleep at night, then go on with that thought. Or say, and you say, presentation and I say hosting and news broadcasting and I say TV so na beba no and e kire say woody ya na no na djuma wo ye sese na ni so pa or ye okay na one na free say wo mo bet na kire no ma dwen say ono sesi ya na mo kire na say dey be e yo mo masem omo person mo dwen wo mo koso nda no mo dwen wo na tie for na hwefo wo hwe sansem we ye ya abawe aye fed up there but that mo say Ghana for kasa Ghana for a dream ni pound papa. Now Ghana for the draw now so obi ya dia. Na chase omo pese boni ensi na ni panon enye de. One share se enko back to zero there be but what sa na we obi a ka nipa mo asem na wo so bi gina baby na wo ya de na wo de na wo di wani bua ne so free wa kakra wo se de ya pamo no ne ya isa na so mo so we obi a we enkukuo for ana so we oni pray for and so wo this e ka wa bra bo ye nja isa ye hu ya ma ye nka e na ye susu enkonkru di won sem a ye ni mo hwe fi se e de embetu asem na nsem dem de nche na esiwu tu ko ka asem bi na wo hwe na wo ni mo hwe na still so pese wo kana je se wo na wo bokwan ama o how e de about na se na tie bia me gidi se e tie for mo adwenchire bia wo no wa drop the ato your comment section wo de amayen after so mo subscribe bia bo more than subscribe say na be ya too much GH if you kase ya di dwumedie bia to mo so mo sabetumi akabi na watumi akire wa adwen ene de say mu nua ba mo so for mesical and am di dwumedie be so mu aya bo mo de aso na share na like your program na fa promote your channel aha and I'm the mobesi that's ne ye be san ehia makram
the major prophet kun chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asonde nti na adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe subscribe na subscribe na wo subscribe a na wo benya ne yama papa a wo pe ahwe nyame shira na ura
too much GH we boy what shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching too much GH
me dey Isaac Odwampo obetun afem the great ampo mbrembren wonu me nka mo ni hwe too much GH mo ye too much na me so me ye am fire.
Too much GH. Me did akose Japan. E prepare am bese me TV. Me share too much GH. Omo de move for. Hey, omo sports and as entertainment. Hey, omo de move for. Mo ko so show mo. No anybody dey bia. Me da ma say love you.
Too much GH. Many have come and many have gone. But you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.